Hey Xempire players, want to skyrocket your profit per hour? I've got the ultimate tips to max out your earnings very fast. Let's dive in. First, tap smart. Focus on upgrading your profit per tap and energy capacity yearly. More taps, more coins, more simple. Next, prioritize upgrades. Boost your character's skills like leadership and ethics, then hit office upgrades like AI assistants. These pump your passive income fast. And don't sleep on the city tab. Pick daily investments wisely. High risk can mean high rewards. Check community tips for the best picks. Don't forget to invite your friends because every referral boosts your bonus coins. More active friends, more profit. It's a win-win. Finally, smash those daily quests and riddles. They're quick, easy, and stack up your earnings like crazy. That's it guys. Tap smart, upgrade fast, invest daily, invite friends, and nail quests. Your profit per hour will soar. Hit that like button, subscribe for more, and let's build that Xempire fortune together.